guys, I hope you're all well. Welcome back to my YouTube channel and another sale haul luxury kind of video. Again, I thought it would be fun seeing as loads of you really enjoyed my My Teresa one, and my bad, I put the wrong code in for 24 hours and I literally wanted to hit myself in the face for that, because what an idiot. Who doesn't double check the facts? This idiot. So I thought I would do another one, and this one doesn't require a discount code, so I cannot go wrong. So apologies for that, and hopefully this is a lot smoother. So there is a sale on at Farfetch, and they have got so many amazing pieces in there. My favourite designer brand is Chloe, and I have to say the Chloe pieces in that sale are so good. I've got so many up that I have fallen in love with. So before I get into the actual things that I own that have gone into sale, I thought it would be fun to do a little kind of Chloe wish list, because they are the things that I really want, and I was thinking of treating myself to them, but it is my birthday this weekend, so I feel like I shouldn't be buying anything, though I don't think I've told anyone that I like or want these things, but I do think that it would be stupid to buy myself stuff so close. But hopefully there'll be another reduction and then I can buy them after my birthday as a birthday treat, or on my birthday. Okay, so the number one thing that I am obsessed with is this Chloe Abbey lock bag. I fell in love with this, like, must have been a year ago, but it just seemed like such a practical bag. It looks like kind of ornamental. It just doesn't look like a bag that is practical at all. And it looked really small, and I don't know, there's just something about it that to me said, you're beautiful, but you're for the runway. And then I kept seeing people, like normal people with it, well, like influencers, normal people, whatever, but like people who weren't supermodels walking down the catwalk, and it just looked so cute with all of their outfits. And then it officially landed on my wish list, and then like I put it on my wish list, not that it just landed there. And then I have been lusting after it ever since, but I feel like for the size of it and the style of it, even though it is quite a special bag, still so much. But what I love about it is the fact that it says Chloe on it, and the mock croc and just everything about it. And it has now gone into sale, and it is, I think it's under £800, around £800. And I feel like when something goes under the £900 mark, it just feels cheaper. Like even if it's like 960 and then it goes to like 890, I'm like, oh my god, that's so much cheaper. Just something about that £900 mark to me that is like, I don't know, like you have to really love it. Not that you wouldn't spend for spending the other, but I'm sure you guys know what I mean. But yeah, so that's my number one Chloe wishlist item at the moment. And then the second thing in the sale that I'm obsessed with is in several colours, and it's these Chloe sandals. So they are this kind of, they're like a thong sandal with that band across them, and I saw the slider version, which I'll put a picture in. I saw those on my friend Josie, and she wore them quite a lot last summer, but this pair I saw come in, and they're like a leather thong sandal, and then they've got with like a back, and then they've got the Chloe band over the top, and I just love them, guys. They have them in like the classic tan and cream. They have them in pink and orange, which is a kind of colour clash, but I really like it. And then they also have it in black and white, and the black and white ones are so perfect. I just think they would look so beautiful with everything. And yeah, I might end up treating myself to those when it is my birthday. So anyway, those are my top things that are on my wish list, but I thought before I get into the other pieces, I also want to run down a couple of other things, and I've got a list that are in the sale that I don't have. Now, I'm not saying that these aren't on my wish list, because I am Chloe obsessed and would like to have one of every single piece of their collection, but these are not, I'm not as desperate for. Like those other things, I'm on the purchase, or I'm on the edge of purchasing, but these things are more like I want to own them someday. So first of all that I don't own is the Chloe Tess. Now this one I would have bought at Bicester Village if I hadn't have got the Chloe C, because they had it there, and I love the Chloe test bag so much. I think it's such a classic. It's like the FAYE to me, like it's always going to be around. I love the thick strap and the fact that it's got 2 different straps. I've seen so many people wear them. I prefer the smaller ones or like the medium ones to the large. The large looks a bit bulky to me, but I think they're all absolutely beautiful. And yeah, they have loads of different colours and they are all bellissimo. Then they also had the Chloe Daria, are they called? You know, the one that's like kind of looks like it's open and it's got like a braided strap. They had that, and they also had the Chloe Tess with the braided strap. Both beautiful bags. And then loads of the Chloe slogan tees, which I really like as well, and I'm kind of like always on the verge. I saw one at Vista again and I nearly got it. So we are on to the things that I actually own in the sale, and there's actually only 2 brands that are here that I could find things I owned of in the sale. So we're going to continue with Chloe, and the first is these Susanna boots, which I love. I talked about these in the My Teresa code, and they are also in the Chloe sale, not the Chloe sale, sorry, the Farfetch sale. And they had them in this colourway with the leather, which I was so shocked because I didn't think these would go in sale, and I've never seen them in sale before, so that's a really good one. And the best thing about Farfetch, but also an annoying thing, is the fact that it is actually, if you didn't know about Farfetch, it's actually like, I don't know how to explain it. It's like, so all the different boutiques around the world put their stock onto Farfetch, so it's not like one store like Net-a-Porter that have got like their own warehouse of stock. It's all sent from these brands, so it's a great way of them reaching a wider audience. And also it's great because you can find pieces on there that are really rare, because you could find like an amazing bag that's like super rare and it's in a tiny boutique in Milan or something, so it's really good for that. But it's also annoying because you might find something like these boots and they're on sale, and then you switch to your size and they might not be in sale because the size 5 might be in sale in one boutique, then they might not have any size 6s, and the size 6s might be from another place and they are not on sale. So that's kind of annoying, but it's just the way that they work. But yeah, amazing. And also you have to be careful about that too, because sometimes if it's like from a different country, it might be more expensive, so just double check the prices that it is actually a good deal, because I've nearly been caught on that before. But yeah, they have the Chloe Susanna boots on sale in the black, they have them in the velvet and the gold, which I thought was really cool. They also have them in some really beautiful summery colours too. Then my new baby, which actually matches perfectly with my outfit right now, is the Chloe C bag, and that is in the sale as well. Obviously not this colourway because I got this from Vista, so it's like old stock, but they do have it in loads of different colours, really nice neutral colours. They have some really nice ones that are colour blocks, so different here, here and here, but in the same kind of colour, like just different tones. And yes, they have quite a few different ones. They have a really nice pastel blue, I'll put a picture in, which I think is nice and similar to this, and a dark green, which I'll also put a picture in. So all of these things are like, they're in the sale but not in this exact style. And this is another one. This is one of my fave Chloe bags, the Chloe FAYE day bag. It's the last FAYE that I got, I think, so far. But it's probably my most used because it's just so practical. It's got the strap here, which is really easy to hold it by, but it's also got a detachable crossbody strap. This is actually the mini one, I think, or the small, and you can fit so much in there. Like, it opens up like a bloody accordion. Oh, there's a lip balm in here. Anything else? But yeah, this is so easy to wear, honestly. It goes with everything. I love this bag. And maybe they had it in this colourway but a bit bigger. They also had it in different colourways in this size. They have it without this. They actually did have one with this on in this colour but in the bigger size, but they have it without that. They have tons of different styles of it, so I'll link below all the options, and as I will do with the Chloe C and all the other things that I've talked about. And then the final Chloe item that is also in the sale is the Chloe FAYE. This was my first ever designer bag that I purchased, so it's very special to me and I adore it, and the colour I'm just obsessed with. I don't know if they had this colourway in this size, but I did see this colourway. I've seen that Chloe have brought out a new kind of updated version of the small Chloe FAYE, which personally I way prefer to their other small Chloe FAYE, which I don't know if they're still doing. They are all in the sale, and they also have the bigger ones, so they have quite a few different ones. They did have the original Chloe FAYE smalls. I mean, if you like them, you like them. Don't let my opinion get in the way at all. But yeah, so they've got lots of different Chloe FAYEs. And then I've got two more things to show you. I nearly just did the Star Trek sign. I've got two more things to show you, and this is from Mulberry, and I didn't actually know that Mulberry were on Farfetch, so it was a bit of a revelation to me. And the first thing I want to show you is my Mulberry BAYSWATER. This is just the most classic bag. I feel like I say that about everything, but honestly, this is so classic. And even though I haven't used it like properly, I mean, I do use it every now and again, but I haven't used it like for a solid amount of time, if you know what I mean, like get it when it goes with an outfit, but I haven't like had it as my go-to bag for a while. I know that I will always keep this in my wardrobe because I think I will be using this when I'm 60. Like, it's such a classic bag. It is a wardrobe staple. It is so elegant. It has this is the updated BAYSWATER, so it's got the zip on the top and a crossbody strap. And this is patent, and I've actually heard that the patent ones are more robust and sturdier, whereas the ones that aren't patent, I think someone told me that if you put something inside and it was pressing against the side, then it could make the shape look wonky. I'm not sure because I don't have one, but that's what I heard. It's the word on the street. But yeah, they had not this exact navy colour, but they had it in really nice like pastel-y colours and more neutral colours, so I'll link those below too because this is such a great wardrobe staple. They also have it in smaller sizes too. This is, I think, the medium or the large, but this is a good size. It fits my MacBook in it. And the last one is my other Mulberry bag. I've only got two and they're both in the sale, so this exact bag isn't, but I saw that they had the, so this is called the KEELEY, and they had another version of the KEELEY, which is, this is more of a satchel. And they have it in more of a shoulder bag, so with a shorter strap, and it's less kind of structured. It's more of a fluid shape, and in black, so more kind of easier to wear, goes with everything, more of a wardrobe staple. So I want to show you that because I really love this bag and the kind of crosshatch detail here. I think it's really cool, and really kind of different from some of the classic Mulberry bags. That's what I really love about that one. So yeah, I wanted to tell you about this and it being in the sale because everyone should know. And someone actually asked me to do a review on this bag, but then I was like, well, it's not sold anymore on the Mulberry website and I couldn't find it anywhere else, so I thought it's kind of silly to do a review on a bag that no one can buy. So yeah, but you can buy a similar one in sale, is what I'm trying to say. So thank you so much for watching this video. I hope that you guys enjoyed it. If you did, make sure you give this video a thumbs up. As with all of my videos, I will link everything that I featured below in the description, including all the different colourways. I'll also link my little OOTD, my little green vest. I've actually, you can't just see, but I've like knotted it, and my necklace and stuff. So thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to subscribe if you haven't already. I'm doing videos every other day or even more regularly, and I would love to have you here on my channel with me, and I will see you next time. Bye.